Hey, so today I'm going to take you on a couple of room tours here at the Secrets Mirabel Resort. I'm going to show you everything from a basic room to the preferred club junior suite oceanfront and everything in between. So stay tuned. They're quick tours to start, and then at the end I have a full tour so you can see all the detail of the room. So let's go check it out. And this is Deluxe Ocean View King, so no balcony in this one, but means it's a bit more spacious. A single vanity here, as well as the shower and the toilet. It is frosted glass. We'll say that with the shower, it's a little bit more open, so do bear that in mind. We've got the desk area here, king size bed. Actually, a really nice seating area, I like that. And then the TV does swivel. You've got your coffee station, and this is the view. So you can see pretty much all the pool areas, as well as a beautiful ocean. So you really can't complain about that. Nice and spacious. Okay, this is Deluxe Tropical View King Room. Got a dual vanity and a scale, and a shower, the glass enclosure, but it is a full private door. Christine, if you're watching this, I know you'll appreciate it. And then we've got the TV right in front, and yes, it is swingable, it looks like. I'm not gonna try it. And some storage area there. Not gonna go through the closets, I'll do all of that in a separate video, but I just want to show you the amenities, the space, and the view. Again, this is tropical view, so you don't have a view of the ocean. You have a partial view of the grounds and the lagoon, which means sunset. Okay, so this is a deluxe ocean view room. Got the coffee station, mini bar right at the front, closet, dual vanity, the toilet and shower area with a rainfall watershed, and a wooden door, nice and private. The TV there with a desk area, charging station on both sides of the bed, nice couch area with some welcome champagne, and some extra storage, I think. Oh yeah, that's nice. And then, is it this side? Yep. You pop out. Oh, wow. Look at this view. Oh, pretty decent sized balcony. View of the pools, as well as a view of the ocean. Love it. So this is a Preferred Club Junior Suite oceanfront. We'll do more detail on this in a second. So we have a nice bottle of champagne, some welcome fruit. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the view because why not? Nice big huge balcony overlooking the Preferred Club pool and hot tub, which apparently will be heated later on. But, you know, it's just brand new opening. And we've got the regular pools. Beautiful view of the resort. Can't go wrong. Close the door so the air conditioning goes back on. And yeah, so you can open up the curtains and have this beautiful view on the couch. We've got the TV, the bed. And then the TV, let's take a look. Yeah, so that rotates out. So if you want to sit on your balcony and watch TV, you could, or you can swivel it and watch it while you're laying in bed. And we've got a USB charger and a plug-in on this side. Here we've got a couple of drawers, nice chair, more plug-ins up here. And we've got a fast charger as well as USB and a clock radio. It's really nice. Oh, I should show you. Here's the channel list, just in case you're so inclined. But it is nice if you do have to do even a little bit of work that you have the option to do it in comfort. Oh, look at that. Coke products, Dos Equis, bottles of Coke and Fanta. Ah, delish. And then also some bottled water and, oh, an upgraded preferred club. So you got upgraded snacks as well. So some little chili mix and energy mix. A nice big dual vanity, plenty of space. Plug in on the right side. Ladies, you'll want to grab this side when you come in. There's a scale down below, the dreaded scale. And I'm not sure where the hairdryer is, but there will be one hidden in here somewhere. And then we've got the pharmacopoeia toiletries, as well as a rainfall shower head, and a regular shower as well. And nice that they have the bench for shaving your legs. It's always nice. And then frosted glass to the toilet, full-length mirror, and a nice little bath area, which I'm not a big bath person, but I might actually partake. So there you go. Oh, and these will show you the storage. So here we've got really nice high closets, as well as we've got some, or hangers, I guess. We've got an umbrella, slippers. This one, I like how they're lit. More storage. That's the hairdryer. There you go, we found it. Oh, maybe it's a steamer, I'm not sure. And another area here. So we've got lots of storage. Sorry, right up front. There we go. So 3 cubbies and 3 more spots on the bottom. And the safe, which is partially lit, which is actually really nice. So you don't have to worry about forgetting anything. So there you go. And we unlocked the mystery of the hairdryer. This actually opens up, which I think is very handy for additional bathroom storage. And I just assumed it was just a cupboard front. So there you go. So I hope you enjoyed those tours. I'm gonna try to see a few more rooms before I leave. So there might be a follow-up video to this, but stay tuned for more. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and we'll see you on the next one.